skilled tradespeople are needed to build data centers, but there aren't enough of them.
There's an increased interest in skilled trade jobs like construction.
But the supply of technical support keeps shrinking.
People, a lot of times, they've lost their brand. They don't have anything they stand for. They're just going through life without a purpose. I want people to have a personal brand that they're proud of, that they have higher goals. But it takes some structure, it takes some discipline. It's, swimming upstream instead of floating downstream. It's easy to live floating downstream. That's easy. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna just go with the flow, or are you gonna say, no, I'm gonna go a different direction, and I'm gonna fight for something that I believe in that's bigger and better for myself?
I would like to say we're the Harvard of trade schools, but I think we're way better than Harvard. We want students to have that opportunity to better their lives. I know that if they come in here and really give it their all, their opportunity to get out here to be successful, that is the key to the whole thing, making sure that they're a part of something. And a student with a positive attitude coming out of here is going to go really far.
Wyotech has always had a great academic program. So I came to Wyotech in 1976. I started in January and graduated in June. I was 18 when I started, graduated as a 19-year-old.
It was my first semester at college, and they had us write a paper. It was an argumentative paper. What they wanted us to do was compare two similar things. And funny enough, I chose college versus trade school. And I was typing this paper out, and I realized I have convinced myself that I want to go to trade school. And I realized that I'm not going to be happy sitting in an office all day.
I came to wyotech to study collision and refinishing, street rod, trim and upholstery, and ASM. Being that I found one school with all of it really meant a lot.
I've enrolled in the automotive technician course and high-performance powertrains. Wyotech built me a strong foundation on my career field by having really good instructors. All the instrucors are very passionate about what they do.
The industry needs technicians. I mean, the trades have never been so lucrative and needed as they are right now.
There's just a different feel. It's electric when I come here because we've got over 450 interviews scheduled. The demand now for technicians has never been high as it is now. There's not as many students going into the trades and in the technical schools.
We need more technicians. There's a lot of money to be made in it right now. There's very few senior techs available anymore.
Knock on every single shop in the entire country and someone's hiring right now.
If you come out from Wyotech, you're ahead above anybody else.
Strong placement with good industry partners at Wyotech is absolutely important to us, that we know that our students are placed in the right place.
I have, I believe, 8 offers.
I got a job at SVI welding. I think this is a good choice. It's instructors, all of the instructors I've had are amazing.
I love seeing people succeed. Our high standards and our quality of training and education and our ethics. And I think because we have such high standards, the employers love us because they know we're retaining the right students to provide the industry the right technicians.
I'm very proud of my time that I spent at Wyotech. Everyone that I encountered that was a graduate of the school were very like-minded individuals and usually succeeding at a different rate than others within the dealerships.
There's so much work for somebody who will get in the trades, follow your own dream, follow your own path. And if your calling is to be a diesel mechanic and your family comes from a bunch of Harvard grads, then tell them you're going to Wyotech.
I still have amazing friends that I made here at Wyotech when I was a student. We are doing education right, and we're doing it right for the students, and I truly believe in this place.
Well, I couldn't be more proud to own Wyotech and continue to grow, and not only grow but thrive and provide more technicians to industry that desperately needs them.